In the beginning was the powder chloramine T, a highly intensive disinfecting substance with a wide range of uses. Since its discovery in 1912, the cleaning product industry seemed to have just what was needed for uncompromising hygiene. But for decades, chloramine T was reserved for only a few areas of usage. Nobody was able to fulfill the particularly high requirements for usage beyond this. Then, RMP made the breakthrough in 1998. The Altinger specialists in safe, high-intensity products are making chloramine T usable as a big, soft hygiene club for a wide range of applications.
In a process that has been patented throughout the world, RMP have transformed the powerful powdery substance into a highly effective, user-friendly, and safe tablet, Disifin, for new thoroughness and hygiene. For many people, a new awareness and a great awakening has come as a result of Disifin. Risks for health, image, and success that had been unsuspected are lurking everywhere: viruses, fungi, yeast, bacteria. Invisible, unexpected, and much too often only poorly dealt with.
Microbial contamination threatens loss of image, absences, and a huge number of infections, sometimes with serious consequences. Scientific studies have long since shown that of all disinfecting substances, only very few completely kill off bacteria, viruses, yeast, and fungi. So only the claim thoroughness quickly separates the wheat from the chaff. If one selects the active agents according to their safety, then the result is clear. There can be only one. Only chloramine T totally eliminates microbial contamination in a way that is friendly toward people, the environment, and materials.
Insofern ist Chloramin nicht einfach ein Desinfektionsmittel, sondern oder Disifin nicht ein Desinfektionsmittel.
In this respect, Disifin not simply a disinfectant, but a very widely applicable one for use against all relevant pathogens.
Chloramine T besitzt ein breites Wirkungsspektrum.
Chloramine T possesses a wide working range. It works against viruses, against protected as well as against unprotected, against bacteria gram-positive as well as gram-negative, against mycobacteria, and also against fungi, mold, and even dermatophytes.
Hefen, Schimmelpilze und auch Dermatophyten.
Through the continual release of the agent, it definitely demonstrated itself to be a safe disinfectant. Chloramine T, the perfect all-round defense against germs and microbial risks, becomes active immediately in water. Lightning fast and selective, the chloramine T molecules break down bacteria, viruses, yeast, and fungi until surfaces, devices, and fabrics are completely free of germs and microbial contamination.
Disifin is simply brilliant and brilliantly simple.
We have
already checked Disifin in accordance with the latest guidelines.
Ein wichtiges Moment bei Disifin ist
An important feature of Disifin is its toxicological safety. Disifin is not genetically damaging, not carcinogenic, and neither is it cytotoxic.
auch nicht zellschädigend. Ein weiterer Vorteil liegt in der
A further advantage lies in the compatibility of materials. To date, there have been no reports of Disifin damaging materials.
Materialschädigendes Verhalten von Disifin vor.
Up to now, I am only aware of a single manufacturer, namely the company RMP, which produces a powdery substance recently in tablet form, a substrate that dissolves well in water so that no difficulties arise in proportioning.
Die häufig gestellte Frage nach Resistenz.
A frequently posed question to the development of resistance can in all modesty be answered in the negative. To date, no development of resistance has been observed with Disifin. Neither does the working mechanism of Disifin lead one to expect any development of resistance.
Insofern kann man sagen, dass die neue Disifin-Palette.
In this respect, one can say that the new Disifin range is an environmentally friendly disinfectant distinguished by good degradability.
Eine gute Abbaubarkeit.
Weiter positiv hervorzuheben ist, dass der Wirkstoff von Disifin.
Another advantage to be emphasized is that the active agent of Disifin is dermatologically harmless. It has already been used for several decades for the disinfection of skin and mucous membranes.
Die neuen Disifin-Produkte unterscheiden sich von den klassischen chloramine.
The new Disifin products differ from the classic chloramine T products in that the company has succeeded in masking the characteristic smell of chloramine, replacing it with a fresh scent.
Chloramingeruch zu maskieren, ihn zu ersetzen durch eine frische Duftnote.
The moisture-proof individual packaging provides simple and space-saving storage. Simply measure out by the quantity of tablets and water. No fuss, no waste, no problem.
The concentration of active agent in the ready-to-use solution is extremely gentle on the skin and yet so strong that a single application is enough for disinfection.
Disifin, perfect solution and the purity requirement for everyone who carries responsibility and who wants peace of mind. We are very enthusiastic about using new technology, so we are taking this step regarding hygiene. That's why for us, Disifin means working more professionally all around.
I think patients are more well-informed than ever, so hygiene and disinfecting are a big current topic. The best thing that can happen to a dentist is when he gets asked a question about this and can not only rave on about how clean the whole practice is with a clear conscience, but also about how the methods used for this are the very latest. Something like that can certainly get around. Measure, spray, and wipe, all totally simple and all totally thorough. As you can see, without Disifin, there would actually be enough hiding places for microorganisms. We are happy that we have that 100% under control, and so simply,
so einfach.
Disifin, radical against viruses, bacteria, yeast, and fungi.
Without resistance, without risks for people, the environment, or materials.
Ein mildes Desinfektionsmittel und aus dieser Tatsache, dass es einmal
A mild disinfectant, and due to the fact that it is also as harmless as possible for the environment, people, and materials, chloramine tea is naturally an environmentally friendly disinfectant.
Chloramin Tee ein umweltfreundlicher Desinfektionswirkstoff ist.
And so simple.
Simply in a class of its own.